Okay, it's windy like always. Today's the day of reckoning. But today is the day of loading. Truck, trailer, CRV, help. We're gonna load this. We're gonna load it. We're gonna get it all loaded tonight. Tomorrow morning we head out early. We're heading to PFI. We're seeing Brent, Goofy Bill, Boostedboiz, OG PFI Dan, all those guys. Jamie, we're hanging out with them all for like 3 or 4 days. My brother's coming with me, so it's gonna be awesome. Let's get this loaded up. Let's try not to die by pushing this on the trailer. It's about 6. We finally got loaded, been up for an hour. Get things sorted. We're ready to hit the road. Colorado Subaru sticker. Traffic into Denver. Welcome to Denver on the trip. In Denver traffic. Alright guys, Denver traffic sucks. We're a few miles away. We are at, what is this again? Good Times? Good Times. Never ate here, so we decided to eat here. We're eating some double bacon burger and a guac burger.
Oh yeah.
So we're almost there. We are so close. 10 hours of driving. Pretty much straight. Stopping, fueling up, getting right back in and going. So we definitely made it over the hills. We had a couple fun, scary moments of heat and slow driving. But luckily we didn't blow nothing up. We made it. We're almost here. Look at it.
Well, hot dang, there's some vehicles over there.
Hot dang!
We're at a turkey farm. Here pulling up with PFI Speed. There's some Hondas. A little Supra down there. Some neons. Well, hot diggity dang.
Hot diggity dang.
Hot diggity dang. Well, yeah.
We have made it. We have made it. Oh, freak. Let's go. Let's see what's going on.
Let's do it. Oh, yeah. Some cars.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up? 10 hours, we're here.
Right? Made it.
Yeah, man.
Awesome. Yeah, we're just killing it. How you doing?
How's it going? Adam.
Brent,
Nice
to meet you.
Adam.
Nice.
We decided to cruise along with her, not really suffer.
That's awesome. Very cool. All kinds of exciting stuff going on.
We're here at PFI. Shane came and helped us unload the CRV. It's in the shop. Let me turn around here. Right over there. Right there. And we're going to move it to a lift and work on putting it together with PFI Speed and Goofy built Shane. We got all the parts here, all the good stuff. So it's going to be a fun couple days here with PFI. We got some cool stuff to show them. I got some gifts for everybody. We made sure we brought the water with the monsters and the Coke, so everyone will be taken care of here, especially Emilio. So a lot going on. We're gonna work on unpacking stuff, make a space for the CRV, and go from there. Alright guys, first giving of the day. I said I had stuff coming. We're here with Sean, the master welder. Let's flip it around, let's see what he got today. I tried to hook him up with some stuff I think is practical and he would enjoy and he uses on a daily basis, so you can guess.
Good stuff.
It's always
Nice and clean.
It's always a backup.
Dirty today. Thank you. Lots of consumables here. I have to hide these from Shane.
Well, you burned through them, so I figured you can use a stack of them.
That is awesome. That is way cool. Cutting discs, grinding disc, flap wheels.
And I know you got the new welders, but I didn't know what they got you. So I've been chatting with Shane, and I picked up some of the little stuff they may not have sent you with the welders.
Cool, cool. Awesome, big old heavy gloves. I love disc clamps.
Aren't they awesome?
Yes, yes. I collect these things. I use them like crazy. Ooh, some nozzle gel, keep it nice and clean. Definitely need to show Shane how to use this stuff.
Yes. So he doesn't ruin your welders.
Right, right.
So that's to block them all out.
Drowned them out.
Oh, shoot.
Thank you. More flaps. Oh, nice. Nozzle cleaners. Definitely show Shane how to use these as well.
It sounds like
learning.
Shane needs to learn a lot from you.
Well, he just started welding like last week, pretty much.
Oh, so
he's
he's professional then.
Oh yeah, yeah. He put about 10 pounds on his firewall.
Learning from the Master Jedi, huh?
Whole roll of welding spool.
You gotta fill the holes, man. You
He
just
did. Awesome. Some soapstones.
I don't know if you use it. Some people prefer it. So I got soapstones, and I got you paint markers.
Nice.
So I said, screw it, one way or the other.
I love both.
You'll have something that will work.
Well, I love both, so that's awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
Man, well, thank you very much.
No problem. No problem.
Much appreciated.
Awesome.
Much.
So hopefully you like it. Hopefully you can use it.
You're ready.
Okay. Since Brent has been so awesome and letting me come here for a couple days to mess with the guys in the shop, get on the dyno, to build an engine with Goofy Built Shane, I took the time to do something awesome for him, something rad. And I'm show him right now what we got him. So none of you have seen it. The only person who has been on this is like my brother, my wife, because it's been in their sewing room, and Shane. So Shane has actually been in on this project to make sure we got things right for you with this, dude.
Oh man,
It's gonna be sick.
you're crazy.
I had to hide it, but it was okay.
Yeah.
Just I don't want you to see it.
Let's get right over here.
I haven't worked on this thing in months, man.
Stuck up in there.
It's crazy, man. We're opening doors.
What? 1 second.
Stuff behind the hood. This is intense.
You're 11.
It is legit. There you go.
No way.
Rad patch, bro.
No way, bro.
It's a GT dyno. So this is why I picked this bike. It's a GT, it's a dyno, and it's an NSX.
Dude, this is just
Dude, these
this is wicked, bro.
So these are new old stock grips. I found them.
What?
So I found this pad, okay? I found this pad. I built everything
Dude,
around
hold
this
on.
pad.
He found this pad and he built this whole bike.
Like old school GT pegs,
Oh,
dude.
this is rad.
It is so sick.
Dude, what the hell?
Yeah.
Dude.
Is that awesome?
Oh my god, dude.
So
Oh my God.
I restored it. I packed all the bearings. I packed all the stuff up here.
Oh my God.
I straightened the spokes, put new tires in it. Kind of greased it all up.
Oh my god, man.
I love the original package. I even brought the box, the original package box with the stickers, dude.
Oh my god, dude.
Isn't that awesome?
This is wicked, man.
I didn't want to write it because you had to write it first. Oh, and the rear brakes aren't quite adjusted, but they're old stock. They're old school Lego looking brakes that came out in like the early 90s.
This is wicked crazy, man.
So they kind of work, but I got to adjust it.
This is wild, dude.
Is that awesome?
This is wicked, dude. Hell yeah.
You got to air that tire real quick. Look at this guy. Look at that old school things and everything.
Yeah, this is wicked.
Hey,
Amazing, man.
there's part 2. There's part 2, dude.
Part 1's good.
Let's
Part
pop-
2 is rad too.
Dude.
Part 2
Dude,
is
it's gonna blow your mind.
This is unreal.
This is gonna blow your mind.
The rad
Stop
mad.
for a second. Let me. So again, I took time to find this, to match you, to find this stuff, and to have something custom. So my buddy Devin Speight, he is a master artist. Okay, you're gonna be blown away when you see this.
Dude, I'm already
This dude, he does custom cars, semis. He paints the high-end luxury cars in India. And I grew up with him. We worked in the shop together when I ran a shop for a few years. He worked with me, so we've been cool friends. He busts this out within a month.
Dude,
to get it to you.
I gotta get my camera too.
You want to wait for your camera?
Yeah.
This is too good. This is too good.
This is unreal.
You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be mind blown by this. So again, I'll put it on there. Devin Speight, custom airbrush artist, did all kinds of crazy stuff. So if anyone wants anything done by him, hit me up. Wide Open Throttle Garage, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. This is the good stuff. I've been working with Shane. He's seen the whole process, and he's kept it a secret for a month for me. And I'll tell you after you look at it how it came to be. Okay. Is it okay to put on here?
Yeah.
I don't scratch you.
No, you're good. We got body work, so.
Okay, you gotta get that out.
Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude.
Okay. It is an early 90s GT dyno helmet. Okay? We repaired some cracks. We fully restored it. He did a yellow candy. He did
Oh my
custom
gosh,
airbrush
dude.
rad, and he put your sim on the back.
That's too sick. Oh my gosh. This is intense.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
So
is awesome.
it originally was silver. We're going to go with the chrome look.
Oh
Oh,
man.
it fits.
It fits good too.
Because I literally bought it.
I got static electricity going on here. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
So it was silver, and after I sent them pictures of the bike and the pad, we completely changed it. We did a blue and
His
a
name
yellow
was
candy. Devin.
Devin, thank you. This is amazing. Tyler, thank you.
Dude, I freaking love it. Freaking love it, dude. It looks so good on you.
This is wicked.
I'm so pumped to fit.
Matching the bike.
Yes.
I'll see you guys.
So rad, sweet. Looks so good.
That's what they get. That's why I'm giving these gifts, because they take the time to help me to work on this Honda YouTube challenge. Some more to come, guys.
Look at him, he's like a little kid right now. He's got his first
This
bike.
is wicked, dude. I'm so pumped right now.
That's it. We gotta fix the guy brakes. He might not work right now.
Tabletop.
So,
Pretty sick ride.
Dude, I just feel like Crew Jones on it, honestly.
There you go.
It's got the feel.
I try to base it off some of the coloring.
At least a quarter. Set of doubles, tabletop.
Or do a pump track. See, I got
We
7.
talked about a pump track here.
So I got 7 acres and I'm working on building it after I get my house done. Dude, freaking bring your bikes down. Because I just bought 2 more old school like BMX
Don't tempt
stuff.
us with a good time.
Brent, we got the launch pad here. We can build quarter pipes on both sides of it.
It's legit.
I have actually never ridden it, so I'm hoping it works.
Huh? It's Emilio's first time riding.
Oh, he jumped!
I can show you a trick, dog.
Dude, it's wicked.
I hope the brake pad is still on there.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Look at him!
This is crazy rad, man. Did I win? Is that high score?
high score.
Oh, shoot.
Dude, this is
sweet.
awesome. This thing's amazing.
There it is. the sweet jet belt. That is awesome. That is looking amazing. We're in the shop, so we got the CRV in, thanks to built Shane. We got to pull out the old motor, get things ready for the new motor. So tonight, take out axles, drop motor from the bottom, make sure everything's disconnected, trans-wise, differential. The exhaust is already gone because I cut it off.
You're
So
welcome.
we're gonna get this sucker out tonight, so we can bust out the engine tomorrow. Right, Shane? Yeah. All right, guys. Great first evening. We got here around 6. It's now been 3 hours, 4 hours. Gotta see everybody, hang out with everybody, get working on the car. So super cool PFI Speed to do this with me and for me. I know Brent was super excited with his gifts. All the other guys, I got them all a little something for helping me out and making this possible. So tonight's the night. Tonight's the wrap. We'll see you in the morning. Till next time.